Setting up a video remarketing campaign. Hello there everyone. Let's move on to the next step in your YouTube video advertising journey, learning how to create video remarketing campaigns. It is a two-step process that we have made easier through this step-by-step video. Step 1. Creating a remarketing list. In order to retarget potential customers with your YouTube video ads, you will need to set up a remarketing list. A remarketing list is a customer retargeting list that you retarget with ads based on previous interactions with your brand or business. In YouTube's case, this type of retargeting effort is called video remarketing. The goal of video remarketing is to reinforce your brand's message by retargeting people who have already seen your videos or that have visited your channel, which gives you a greater chance of increasing your return on investment. Now, to create a remarketing list for your video remarketing campaigns, you will simply need to start on your AdWords account dashboard. Now click on the Campaigns tab on the top bar menu. Once in the Campaign section, click on the Shared Library menu tab and then click on the Audiences option. From here, you will be able to set up remarketing lists that will allow you to reconnect with people that have shown an interest in your brand or business. There are 4 types of remarketing lists available for you to set up: website visitors, mobile app users, YouTube users, and customer emails. Because your remarketing objective is to create video remarketing campaigns to retarget people who have interacted with your brand or business on YouTube, you will have to select YouTube users as your type of remarketing list. So simply start by clicking on the Create List shortcut under YouTube users. You will be taken to the new Video Remarketing List page, where you will be able to create your new video remarketing list. You have to start by selecting your remarketing list type from the List Type menu. And as you can see, there are several types of video remarketing list setups available. These remarketing list setups will allow you to retarget to people who have viewed any video from a channel, visited a channel page, viewed any video as an ad from a channel, liked any video from a channel, commented on any video from a channel, shared any video from a channel, subscribed to a channel, added any video from a channel or playlist, or viewed certain videos. For our example case, we are going to select the Viewed Any Channel as an ad from a channel list type to remarket to people who have shown an interest in our brand or our offers by viewing video ads from our channel for at least 30 seconds. After you have selected your list type, you'll have to select the YouTube channel from where you will be doing your remarketing from the YouTube channel menu. Now, you'll have to name your new remarketing list in the list name field. Now, in the membership duration box, you have to enter the number of days the user's cookie stays active in the list if the user doesn't interact with your video or channel. In other words, you have to specify for how many days you will be retargeting a user with your video ads if the user doesn't interact again with your videos or channel. The default membership duration is 30 days, but our recommendation here is to establish a membership duration of 7 to 14 days if your marketing objective includes low-value orders or website visits, and to establish a membership duration of 30 days if your marketing objective includes high-ticket orders. Now, in the status section, you have to select to either leave your list membership status open or closed. Select Open if you want to always keep adding new visitors and leads to your remarketing list, and select Closed if you want to only retarget engaged visitors that are already in your list until the end of your campaign. Lastly, in the Initial List Size section, you have to select the initial size of your list. You can include users from the last 120 days to your new list, or to start with an empty list, to start including visitors to your list once your list is set up and active. Once you have set it all up, simply click on the Create List button. AdWords will start updating your list according to your setup after you finish creating your list. Now you'll be ready to start creating your video remarketing campaign, so let's get to it. Step 2. Creating a video remarketing campaign. Go to the Campaigns menu tab on the left-hand Campaigns menu, and then click on the New Campaign menu button once on the Campaigns page. Now click on the Video option from the Campaign Type selection menu. Now name your new video remarketing campaign in the Campaign Name field. Now select your type of video campaign. Just like we showed you in our previous video, you will find 2 types of video campaigns to launch. Select the standard type if your objective is to drive views, awareness, and conversions, or select the shopping type if your objective is to encourage people to buy products specifically listed in your Google Merchant Center account. And just like we did before, we are going to select the standard video campaign type to drive people to our business website and to increase awareness about our brand. Now go to the video ad format section to select your video ad format. Remember that you can use the in-stream or video discovery ads format to publish video ads that appear during playtime and search results in YouTube, and that you can use the bumper ads format to show unskippable 6-second video ads during mid-play on YouTube videos. In our case, we are going to select the in-stream or video discovery ads format to remarket our engaging sweepstake video ad. Now it is time to set up your bidding and budget formats. Remember to select maximum CPV if you want to get the largest number of views allowed by your budget, or to select maximum CPM if you want to get the maximum number of impressions that you can afford within your budget. Also, remember that the maximum cost per mile option is only available if you select the bumper ads format. Now go to budget and select the daily budget option to set up a daily amount towards your new remarketing campaign, or the campaign total option to set up a lifetime remarketing budget. Once again, a recommendation for you here is to select the daily budget and to allocate from $5 to $30 a day, depending on how much you can afford to spend on a daily basis. Click on the campaign start and end date display button if you want to set up specific start and end dates for your new remarketing campaign, and to click on the delivery method display button to select your preferred ad delivery speed. Remember that you can either select standard to deliver your ads evenly or accelerated to show your ads quickly and to as many people as possible. A recommendation here is to select standard. Now select your remarketing ad placements in the network section and move to the location section where you can select where you want to show your video ads. For this example case, we are going to select high-spending English-speaking locations where to remarket our sweepstake video. Lastly, select your target language if it's selected by default in the languages section, and adjust your advanced device targeting settings in the device section, your custom ad schedules by clicking on the ad scheduling display button, and your frequency caps and content exclusions by clicking on the ad delivery display button. Once you set this all up, click on Save and Continue. Now it is time to create your ad and your ad group. Start by naming your new ad group in the Ad Group field. Now enter your video and URL in the Video Ad field. Because we selected the in-stream or video discovery ad format, we will have to customize each ad format variation. So start by selecting in-stream ad if this is your case as well. Start by entering your display URL, which is the website address that appears in your ad, and the final URL, which is a valid URL that people will click through to go to your site. Now select the video discovery ad to customize your discovery ad. Start by selecting your video ad thumbnail. Then you customize your video ad headline and description lines, making sure to include the name of your brand, your product, or service in the headline, and to use the description line 1 field to enter your website URL, and the description line 2 field to add a call to action or an incentive. Now select whether to make your channel page on YouTube or the videos watch page on YouTube the video ads landing page on the landing page section, and then name your video ad in the ad name field. Now set a fixed maximum bid amount per view or impression in the bidding section, and then go to the targeting section to set up your audience targeting options. Because this is your first video remarketing campaign, leave the demographics and interest settings at their default values in order to target any gender, any age, any parental status, any household income, and any interest. You will be able to optimize those retargeting settings later on based on your video remarketing results. Okay, so now simply click on the Narrow Your Targeting menu and click on the Remarketing option. Now you will be able to select your remarketing lists as one of your targeting options. As you can see, you will be able to target as many retargeting lists as you set up, and we recommend you to create several video remarketing lists to target different behaviors. To target a remarketing list, you will simply have to click on the Add button corresponding to enter your marketing list in the Remarketing List column. Once you have selected your remarketing lists, you will simply have to click on Done. Once you have set up your ad groups, ads, your bidding strategy, and selected your remarketing list, simply click on Save Ad Group. Awesome! Now your new video remarketing campaign is active.